Laro tayo! Sige, talaan laro! Laro tayong tagu-taguan! Sige.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sige. Sinong taya? Ikaw. Hindi, ikaw na lang. Sige. Ikaw na.
Hindi siya na.
Hindi siya na. Total birthday naman niya ngayon eh.
Sige na nga. Tara, game.
Game.
Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. Lima. Anim. Pito. Walo. Siyam. Sampo. Game. Ha?
Papaskin.
Miss Alexa, Mr. Gonzalez is on the line. Do I transfer the call?
Yes, go ahead. Hello, Mr. Gonzalez. How are you?
Mabuti naman, Mr. Vega. Napag-isipan mo na ba ang offer ko? This merger would be great, and I'm looking forward to a partnership.
May mga inaayos pa akong kaunting details before I consider the deal, Mr. Gonzalez. Selling my company is a difficult decision to make. I'm sure you understand. We can finalize next week.
Sige. I will call you next week. Call me up for a meeting, ha?
Sounds good. I'll have Sheila arrange a schedule.
Bueno. I will see.
Okay.
Good day, Mr. Vega.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. I'm here to see Ms. De La Vega. I'm Attorney Chua regarding a personal matter.
John,
Yes, ma'am.
kindly forward this to Mr. Harvey.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Thank you. Yes, Sheila.
Hello, ma'am. Somebody by the name of Attorney Chu is here, and he wants to talk to you.
Did he say what business he is for coming here?
I think he's here on behalf of Jordan.
Okay, let him in. Just push back my meeting until 10.
Yes, I will. This way, sir.
Thank you.
Come in.
Good morning, Ms. De La Vega. I'm Attorney Chua.
Good morning, Attorney Chua. What can I do for you?
You're so much like your papa. You're direct to the point. Well, I'm not trying to beat around the bush.
Okay.
I'm here on personal business.
Maybe we can talk
Okay?
over here. Have a seat.
Thank you. Alexa, your papa was a dear friend of mine. And because of this, he confided certain things to me. I guess you were still too young to remember it. Anyway, I'm here to inform you that this is the last step in accordance to your papa's last will.
What's all this, Attorney?
He is leaving you the mansion on the condition that you will become successful in your business and have proven capable of managing the property of the De La Vegas. All the documents are there.
Attorney, I don't think I have time for this right now, but perhaps we can schedule something next week.
There's no rush, actually.
Okay.
Just call me when you're ready to
Okay.
handle it, okay?
I'll do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time, Ms. De La Vega.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Good day.
Alexa? Alexa, wake up na yan.
Ma!
Iya, gising na. Late na.
I still want to go to sleep.
Ay, naku, late na. Bangon na.
Go away!
Naku, hindi pwede. Cannot go away. Alexa, huwag mong kalimutan, 18th birthday mo ngayon. You're 18.
So what, Ma?
Ay, naku. Lots of things to do. We have many things to do and we have lots to prepare for.
Ma, how can I enjoy my birthday knowing na ito rin ang araw ng kamatayan ni Papa?
Did you get the katana that I sent you?
Yeah? I'm checking it right now. It's nice. Very nice. It's a very nice reproduction.
No, it's real. I got it from Japan.
Come on, baby. You know it is. Anyway, I need to let you go. I have another phone call. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, girl, how are you?
I'm okay. Well, sort of.
You're okay, sort of? What do you mean?
Well, things are not doing okay sa kumpanya right now, but there's another time para ikwento ko sa lahat. Listen, I need a favor.
Wait a minute. You're not the type that asks me for favors. What's wrong?
Do you know anything about old Spanish house sa may bayan ng Santa Ines? Yeah, I need your expertise in this.
The house has been around since 1800s.
Yeah, I've heard something about it, but I'm not quite sure. Give me some time and I'm gonna check in the archives sa museum. So when I have something, I'll let you know and I call you back, okay?
Wait, what is so important about it?
Wala naman. I just want to,
Check before I invest?
call me back if you find something, okay?
Sure, girl. I will.
You're an angel. Thanks, sweetie.
Bye.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, ito, walo, siyam, sampo.
Hey, I was calling last night, but you're not picking up.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I was looking at our records, and I'm sure magiging interesan ka sa malalaman mo.
I'm listening.
Well, this house you mentioned, it was built during the Spanish era, and it was under the care of the Chua and Associates, a law firm. And you won't believe it. Hindi nakalagay kung sino talaga yung mayari.